I met with the accident.
She had parts of the bone that were kind of like open and missed on the road.
There are so many people told I cannot walk, I'll be in the wheelchair only.
That was another major task as well.
Hi, I'm Valli Ammal. I'm 57 years old. In 2019, I went to Guruvayur. While going to Guruvayur near to Coimbatore, I met with the accident.
She had major open injuries in both her legs. Both her lower limb bones and soft tissues were kind of shattered, and she had parts of the bone that were kind of like open and missed on the road.
With brush to, there is a Coimbatore private hospital. There we did more than 10 days we were there, and we did some first aid and some procedure and all, but we are not satisfactory. Then again we came to one more hospital in Chennai for the skin grafting. So then after the skin grafting, I have to go for ortho. So when my husband was working in Dr. Rela Institute, so we heard about Dr. Ashok Gavaskar. Then we came and take an opinion. He checked my two legs and he told we can make, but the procedure will take long, but you can walk until our procedures completed.
I initially did around 3 surgeries to get her right lower limb healed, and we were successful after maybe a period of around 6 months to a year, where her right lower limb completely healed, and we were able to get her out of infection by using a combination of bony and soft tissue procedures. And then we kind of shifted our focus to the left side, which was much more worse than the right. And to add on to that, she also had just a single blood vessel supplying the entire left lower limb. So that was another major task as well. So after these kind of multiple procedures, which spanned almost for 3 years, we were able to finally make her walk again independently without any support.
From my heart, I have to tell my lot of thanks to Dr. Sunil Gavaskar, because he is the only man who given me confidence. I can walk. He only given the confidence for me. So there are so many people told I cannot walk. I'll be in the wheelchair only. Now I'm very confident.
Again, it is a story of very strong will and character. Even though we were able to help her along the way by doing what was required, it was a strong will that took her all the way. Thank you.